Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
Both of these alliances starting off strong. We see shots from the Hex Hounds, Walden Robotics, and New Apple Core on the Blue Alliance. Similar on red, Fondy's going up for their second note, grabbing that third in front of that protected truss. Let's see what their partners can do. State Line going up for one, and it's left there for them to pick up as teleoperated begins. Only 2 points separating these alliances. The difference is crossing the line in auto. 24-22, a slight edge for the Blue Alliance. 4 notes for each. We start to see State Line loading up that amp. That cooperation bonus is no more. Now it's all about loading it up for them speaker points, and that's exactly what State Line's got. 2 in there for red. They are ready to amp on their next speaker cycle. Blue is looking to do similarly, though. That's Walden Robotics going up 1 note in, and the second there for Blue. We see a number of red robots up there. Let's see if they choose to amp, and they do. Red has these next 10 seconds. State Line looking to squeak another in with 7 seconds left on it, able to do so successfully. Fondy playing some tough defense on the Hex Hounds as they're going to grab their notes, and then using a feeding strategy, potentially even feeding themselves or square table robotics over on the Red Alliance, who appears to be having some trouble. Team 93 New Apple Core lines up for a shot. No amplification, but that's still 2 points to give them the edge. 38-37, 1 point game here as we see the Blue Alliance toss another in their amp. They have the opportunity to make those notes more valuable. Unfortunately, a miscue, a missed shot by the Blue Alliance, but another going in from New Apple Core to make it up. Blue now taking the lead, but Red's looking to strike back. They've amplified, and with a shot from Fondy Fire, that's going to put them over ahead. Finally, Red's first lead of the round. It's slipping away 1 point here with 45 seconds remaining. Walden going up for another note. Blue is looking for 1 more amp cycle at least as we tick down to the end. Walden losing that note, and Apple Core getting one in the meantime. Grabbing another note from their source. Blue is ready to amp, and they've got the note to do it, courtesy of New Apple Core, now taking the lead. We see already we've entered the last 20 seconds of this match, and State Line is already up. They are looking to trap. They're on the chain, up and in with that trap note. That's 5 points for the Red Alliance, and a spotlight on that robot. Fondy's going up with 8 seconds. Hex Hounds are up with 8 seconds. Apple Core, last few seconds are up. We got 2 robots climbed and a park for each alliance, and 1 point separate. Have the results, and by 5 points, moving on into the upper final, is the Red Alliance. Coming home with the victory, 69-64. Your number 8 seeded alliance is moving on to the upper final. Blue is not out yet, though. You will see them again in the lower bracket round.